All right, YouTube, what's good? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. How are we doing this morning? Let's see what's going on. Lots happening in the market this morning. Let's see, Bloomberg, what's good? Let's check FX, what's happening in FX. Europe's recession to fuel franc gains. The sum of all fears is falling with the dollar. Japan's smaller contraction masks extent of underlying weakness. Yuan faces reality. Lots of things happening in the market, eh? Let's see what we can find this morning. Let's see what we can find this morning. Alrighty, interesting. There's a potential sell from up here on GJ. See these lows reached. Let's see. Okay, GJ on the daily time frame. What are we expecting? All right, so we have this bearish structure that is playing out right now over here. That we're rejecting to continue down. 78.6 is the level which we are getting certain amount of rejections from. Let's look at the 12-hour time frame. We kind of have this that is setting up for us, so we could be looking at a potential move back down to this 500 level. Let's just remove that. Let's see. No, that's not helping. We got a good move down from there, so perhaps I'm gonna have an entry at this 200 level. There is a potential entry at this 200 level to continue back down. The stops would be around 30 pips. And we would be targeting to come back a lot lower on GJ. So let's just remove these now. Let's see. So we have this market structure that is setting up right now. So let's see. What's good, Trader Kenny? So we have this market structure that is slowly setting up. Let's go through the lower time frames and see what's gonna happen. That's a little tricky to deal with. 165 GJ right now. Let's see if GJ rejects this level again. Then we shall look at some potential entries. So there are potential entries on GJ at the top at 300. Stops around 20 pips. But there's also this level which we're rejecting again and again on GJ, which we'll see if it's gonna reject or what in a minute. So patience is the key. Alright, Euro JPY on the other hand, EJ. Let's see if there are any other higher time frame confirmations on EJ. Just a massive drop, honestly, on EJ. Okay, so tricky situation even on EJ, but it does look like sells have a higher probability. Okay, one minute. Gold is also at this potential trend line, you can say. So even gold we have to kind of watch out for, because there is a potential to reject this level and continue down. 61.8, that's 187 flat. So yeah, so these are like some of the potential trades with small stops, with smaller stops here. and of course the continuation sell on the 30-minute time frame if gold does close back down below here. GBP USD is slowly trying to push up, which had this riding on it on the hourly time frame, where it rejected off this 50% level and continued up. So this was your potential entry. It was max of 15 pips stop loss. 25 pips you would have achieved already, and we're looking at continuation right to the upside. What pairs are you guys looking at for today? What pairs? Put it down in the chat. What pairs are you guys looking at? Oh, GJ. Look for the clean time frame to close. You would have wanted to be in on GJ from here. It's already pushed around 13-14 pips. It should continue down. $167 rejected yet again. GJ and GU kind of makes sense at what they're doing. Let's see, gold also looks pretty decent to do what it has to do. US 30. Trader Kenny, today no camera. Alright, GJ just closed the 45-minute candle. Very nice. Huge 15-minute engulfing candle, so there is a potential to continue down from here with a little bit of a 20 pips stop loss. So I'm gonna take a small position on GJ. This looks interesting. So I'm entering right over here with my stop above the previous 15-minute high. You see this? I'm not expecting price to break this level. So let's just say 20 pips. Yeah, we're expecting price to continue breaking down the way it is, continuing to flip and break down. Alright, so that's the position I have open right now on GJ. We have 15 minutes to London. Let's see if we're gonna get good volume to the downside. Or not. Let's flip this candle and continue. Come on, GJ. Alright, let's see how far down we can push on this trade. This is the 1 hour also flipping. So we'll be looking at these lows first. Give me a second. Alright, looking at GJ, expectation to continue down. Yeah, no, I'm gonna be sticking to the GJ bias. I'm looking at it rejecting this range. Look at how many times we've rejected this range. So that's why I am sticking to the bias at looking at shorts over here. Let's see. At least to this level. If I take a loss, I take a loss, no problem. Market opens in 10 minutes. Let's see which side the volume comes in. About -4 pips down. Let's see what happens. Andrew.
See,
How we doing, Andrew?
man, I've had no power since last night. It's only just come back on. I'm so annoyed.
Yeah, that could be annoying.
It's very annoying, especially when you're in a US 30 trade and you haven't set a stop loss.
Don't you have MetaTrader on your phone?
No,
Why don't you have MetaTrader on your phone?
because who trades from their phone?
To close partials, manage your trades. It's really helpful, this thing.
Yeah. Well, anyway, it's safe. I'm in profit. That's fine.
Yeah, I'm in a GJ short right now. Let's see how it goes.
DJ short. From what price?
From this current 15-minute engulfing.
Oh, okay, I can jump in. It's just like that. Thanks for the trade. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.
Let's see, stops above the 15-minute high. Let's see how this goes. I'm expecting the volume to push us down, but we shall see. Because since when
that would
did
be nice.
Yeah.
They hurt me yesterday.
Since when did price ever do what we wanted to do? Very nice. We have flipped. We have some volume with us. Let's go, GJ. We're breaking. Let's see, we could reject also, so let's see what's gonna happen here. So look at GG and tell me what you think of this shot, Andrew.
Oh man, I was talking to you and I'm muted. Short's good, DC.
Yeah.
I like it.
Up from this level, the shorts are looking good. We just need the volume to play out in our favor.
Yeah. Yesterday GJ had so many short signals that it
Yeah.
just didn't want to go down. It just kept on getting my stop, then going, and then eventually it went.
Yeah, in New York somewhere it went, you know.
Yeah.
I got so annoyed at that point.
Yeah, it was very frustrating. I think I took 3 GJ trades yesterday.
Yeah, I think likewise. 2 I got hit at break even and 1 I got hit at stop loss.
Yeah.
See, even right now, it's just playing at our entry, you know. So yeah, but let's see how this goes. I have a good feeling about this when the volume does kick in. Let's go GJ, let's go. See, we need to break these lows on GJ. And then we should just drop super hard after that.
Did you add Scotty to Telegram?
Yes, sir. All of them have been added to Telegram.
He's confused. He says, why are we not meeting Google Meets? Let me just message him. Not the brightest star in the sky, so good help that.
Alright, we're about 8 pips up. GJ's paying us today. Let's go, GJ.
Let's go, GJ.
Let's go, GJ. Give us good volume. I want market to open and just tank. Tank. Let's go, GJ. Let's go, GJ. Beautiful. GJ's dropping further. Yeah, Scotty's added to our private Telegram group. You know, from now on we can actually just have Telegram stream, which is actually really good. Alright. Okay, we're going down on GJ. We're going downtown. 8 pips. Come on, guys. What are we talking about? Who's in the straight with me? Who's in the GJ short with me? 10 pips on GJ. Banger. Let's go, GJ. Come on, GJ. Continue falling. Beauty. What a beaut. Who's in this GJ trade with me? Come on. Give it up, boys. Come on, boys, give it up. Let's go. Come on, how many minutes left for London? 2 minutes left for London. We've broken all those lows. There's really no reason, so I'm gonna hold it up. Let's go, Hab Gamin. Kenny's in. Bacola is in. Let's go. Let's go. This is what we're talking about, guys. Then okay, GJ shorts. We're short in the market. Let's go, Japan. Is Japan in the qualifiers for the World Cup? Andrew, if you're on mute and you're talking to me, it's gonna be interesting.
Sorry, I missed what you said there.
Is Japan in the qualifiers? No, right? Oh, they're going
No.
Oh man. All the Asian teams got knocked out. Come on, GJ. 45 seconds to London Open. Give us a massive fall. Come on. We have broken the lows. 30 seconds to London Open. Alrighty, gang. Alright, we're about 5 pips up on GJ. 25 seconds. 20 seconds to GJ. To London Open. Are you serious? A big rejection, really? 3, 2, 1. Let's see. This is the London Open candle. Let's see what volume comes in. Come on, let's get that push to the downside. Let's get that pump, boy. Yes. Come on, continue. Once we break these lows, I'm gonna break even, guys. Once we break these lows right over here, which is what I'm hoping for to happen. Yeah, look at this 2-hour candle also looking really nice. We've closed really nice, so I'm expecting continuation in all honesty. And this is volume. This is market open, so we should get some volume. Can we just drop on GJ or what? What's the FTSE doing, Andrew?
I haven't even looked at it, but it should.
Can you just check it and tell me on a lower time frame? It's going up or down?
Looks like it's going to go down to me. It needs to fill that gap. Oh, it's filled the gap. Looks down.
Looks down. Then we should continue dropping. Let's see.
Let's just check. Yeah, DAX is tanking. FTSE's tanking. Oh damn! My US 30 broke even. Darn it.
Hi, do you learn from Raja before? Yep, I learned from Raja before.
Okay, Scotty said he'll sort it out later. I don't have a clue what he's talking about.
Yeah, tell me, just come on Telegram.
He's got to go do an emergency job. So
Okay.
he said he knows that the link is on Telegram. So I don't know what he's trying to ask you. That I'm so confused.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Technology is not his strong suit.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh man, are we going to sit with this GJ bouncing all day again? Yeah.
Like,
I just want my 20 pips that it took from me yesterday. That's all.
Yep.
Were you trading the market when Putin said that the nuclear war is around the corner?
No, I wasn't there that time.
Man.
Did
Just
it
went
get really
crazy.
volatile?
Wow, it got so volatile.
I can imagine.
I mean, US 30 went down like 150, 200 pips, then went back up another 150, 200. Oh my word, it was crazy.
And you were capturing 100 pips on each side?
I caught 100 going up. I didn't want to short it.
GJ, the 30-minute also looks good.
GJ just needs to break this 1 hour low and it will be gone.
Yeah. Let's see ranges. Which range are we in? GJ. Oh, that's not a problem. We're below the market. Previous
The
range.
only issue is EJ is actually holding GJ up.
Yeah, but EJ is also not really moving up in all honesty.
Yeah, but it's just weird. GJ does this. Where it goes into 3-4 days where it just ranges like it's horrible.
Once we break these highs, I think I'm gonna close half if we break these highs. Alright, I will get ready to close half if we break those previous highs. I got my half set on my phone, ready to close. It's got a nice rejection also from the upside.
Yeah, looks good.
It does look good, yeah.
But that's what we said all of yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday also it looked good a lot. It just continued pushing until it reached that high, which was annoying.
Yeah, by the time it was in a place to sell, I was too scared.
Yeah. Because by that time you're probably wondering like, okay, is it now its turn to move up?
Yeah, FTSE's tanking.
FTSE's tanking? Alright, let's go GJ, come on. What's a general move on FTSE? Like, how many pips would be like a daily move on FTSE?
100?
100 pips?
Yeah.
Interesting. NAS 100 and US 30 is more like 200, 300 pips in a day.
Yeah, the FTSE's a lot slower than the others. I mean, the DAX and US 30 move fast. FTSE doesn't move as fast. It's a little bit easier to trade actually.
Alright, get ready. If this white line crosses this previous high, I will close half my position. As long as it doesn't do that, then I don't have to close half my position.
Where's everybody today?
Good question.
I haven't seen Ja for a while.
Yeah, he's been out the last few days. Alright, are we gonna break that high? Alright, I closed 50% right over here. Alright, so that's minus 3 pips. So half my position is closed. I leave the rest to run. Give me a second, just getting a call. Alrighty. %50 is closed. Yeah, Kenny. I'm gonna leave this position open. I have half risk on this right now, so I'm gonna leave it open.
What you got on gold, DC?
Right now, not much. Andrew, I was actually looking at it. I actually do think it's gonna come down. But let's see. Come on, GG. Supply zone. Interesting. Even GJ was shorting it from a supply zone, so it does look good to me, to be honest. It does look good for continuations to the sell side.
Oh, GJ. Girlfriend I never wanted.
Trust me. Let's see how many pips. 5 plus 3, total 8 pips if I close now. It's barely anything. Alright. Keep GJ or close GJ.
I want to see how this 15 closes. Sometimes it's just a little line candle.
Let's look at it. GJ is going up. Good morning, Yas. How you doing, my friend?
Good, how are you?
All good?
Hello, yes.
Hey there. How are you doing, man?
Good and you?
Good. Yeah, just life in it. Just been at work yesterday. I'm back in again tomorrow.
Alright, guys. I'm getting out of this train.
Yeah, me too.
This is done. About 10 pips.
There's Scotty.
But you're struggling to get on Telegram and get on like us. But once you're sorted, it's done.
Morning all.
Morning.
Morning, Scotty.
Technology will not defeat me.
It may make us sweat a bit, but it won't.
Oh, man.
DC actually said you're not the brightest star in the sky, Scotty, so don't worry.
Look at these lads.
Hey.
Andrew's trying.
Andrew woke up and chose violence this morning.
We're already getting fight started already.
Alright, GJ sells minus 10 pips to start the morning. Yes, trash. It's trash, yes, but yeah.
See what's been happening. Some of the markets are right in the middle of the range today, aren't they?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Man, this month, if it wasn't for the rest of the reward, I'd be negative. You have to review again the Raja course. All you have to do is just review your own trades. You know? Because again, like the same way Raja takes losses, everybody takes losses. Review your trade again and again.
Man.
Some guys are such
I'm
fanboys.
trying
though.
to say something, but I'm just gonna keep quiet. Otherwise it's just gonna go bad. I mean, how dare you not have 100% winning record, DC?
No, I just need to review the Raja course and I'll have 100% winning.
No, of course, because Raja's got 100%. I mean, of course.
Exactly.
He's never lost a trade in his life.
Why didn't you know that before, Andrew? Come on, stop it.
I don't know. I'm going to leave this group now. I'm going somewhere else. Man. When will chat learn that losing is part of trading? Accept it or stop trading. It's as simple as that.
I'll tell you why the chat never learns it, because the chat is over-risking and over-trading.
And not just that, they're always looking for the holy grail, 100% success rate and 10R risk to reward and such. It doesn't work like that. Reward to risk and...
Yeah, if it was that easy, we'd all be, you know, what color is your Bugatti? It's not that easy.
Oh, speaking of what color is your Ferrari, we got Mr. Tariq joining us.
What color is your panel?
Whoop, whoop.
Oh, what's good, guys?
What happened to your CJ treatment? What happened?
I got clapped.
Why you do this? Why?
Yeah.
Oh. Man.
Let's see, what was our win rate for last month? 62, 24 trades, so basically 18 trades, 16 wins, 6 losses. Look at that. So that's 22 trades, right? 16 divided by 22 into 100. Last month our win rate was 72%. So I would say not bad. Last month our last few days were crazy. Literally having 100 pip days.
Yeah, but what they say now, it's not about the losses, it's about the entry. But then don't enter if you don't like it.
Yeah.
That's
For us, the reason why we entered is because we have a 72% win rate at what we do. So, hence it is what it is. And some days you have back-to-back losses, 2 or 3. 22nd, 24th and 25th. Just how sad was my life in November? 22nd, 24th, 25th. What was I doing on 23rd? But anyway.
You were looking for the train.
Yeah.
Buys on gold. Wow.
Buys on gold? Right now?
Or what time frame?
It will be coming soon.
Oh, it will come. Alright, Tariq.
Well, if you can give us another 200 pip banger, please.
Yes, sir.
I'll let them know, don't worry.
Alright, so let's see. Let's see from the swing low to the swing high. Yeah, I think the price from 61.8 also could work.
78.
Oh, sorry. My bad. Let me not forget that. 78.62. You took it from the swing low to the swing high?
The 1 hour, yes.
Okay, that's good.
Oh yeah.
But even like there's two possibilities for this trade. It might respect as well the 127. Because we
Yeah.
have a demand over there. So if this entry didn't work, I'll be taking the other one as well.
Ah. Just put buy limits and sell limits everywhere.
No, the 127. No, I might directly enter like market entry.
Order. Okay.
Yeah, I'll wait. But those are the two possibilities for the gold.
Alright, let's just see what the trend looks like. Yeah, the daily buys are looking good. Yesterday's candle was a nice, beautiful, strong candle. And as Scotty would say, it's about to give us an absolute beauty.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, do you see the M?
Yeah. Got
Scotty,
it.
do you see it?
Yeah.
I think 1775 would be a good entry actually to continue up. Let's see, we're looking at some good ones. Of course, GJ just wanted to go to stop loss so it can continue down, but since chat said there's too much of noise, there's too much of noise.
Chatter.
Let's wait for a close below 800.
Yeah, like don't enter directly on the 78. For me, I'll just keep it like as a market execution. I saw it.
Market execution. Yeah. I think the lower time frame you're looking for a rejection, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can even from the 1 hour directly. I'm not looking lower than this for now.
Yeah. I like that too. It's like somewhere around, let's say 1778, I would like the entry. We could have a stop loss below that, and we also have the next entry at 1772 500. You see that?
Yeah.
So we have two entries that are possibility depending on how far the market comes down. So 1778 flat is where I'd first start looking for buys, and 1772. Come on, gold, let's go. So in the morning, Tariq, I was looking for shorts on gold back down, and it's playing out well now. So if it does play out properly, it's going straight to the next trade we're looking at anyway.
Yeah, you can take the shorts up
Yeah.
to the.
Yes, sir. For me, there's this support resistance. There's this like demand zone right over here, which is tension.
Yeah, it matches exactly the
Yeah.
weekly.
Oh, that actually looks really good. If you look at the 4 hourly, there's a demand zone to the left, right? Previous time we bounced off, going up.
Yes.
So I like that entry.
you just have to keep your stop loss a little bit
Yeah.
higher if you go on the 78.
So, alright, so wait, let me just remove this. We're looking at targeting these highs, of course. The first TP would be like here, and second TP would be up here. I like it, Tariq, I like it. GJ is being sus, bro. GJ is being really sus.
Yeah, for the past 5 months, nothing new. It's
Yeah. Alright, changing pairs over to what shall we trade?
G-
GU?
Mexican peso.
GU.
GBP MXN. Oh.
But I think EJ plays much more better than GJ right now, or for the past couple of months. The GU as well.
Yeah, right now all I can say is EJ and GJ are very shady. This is kind of like a head and shoulders, yet it's like doing its own thing. It's in that range, so I'm just like not touching it until we find good confirmations. I think gold is our best confirmation, so we can literally just wait for that. Also, I ordered a new headset, lad.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I got the Razer.
Oh, Race is quite good, yeah.
Yeah, Black Shark version 2. So I mean, it rated the best overall headset. So yeah.
This is from the 50 pips a day bills the bill something.
No.
Not 50 pips.
50 pips. So yeah. So a lot of people use it, so that's what I like about it. Let's go Black Shark X. No, thank you. Alright, so I really like this setup, guys. I really like the setup. So I definitely do think that we should look for entries at these levels. Tariq, do you want to do what we were doing yesterday? Just put the buy limit.
For gold, I prefer not to. Just for today, because we have 2 opportunities for the buys.
Yeah.
So if it starts to work down, I want to buy starting from the work. So let's take for example somewhere 1778.
Yeah, 1778 is where I currently have my entry at.
Yeah, because above that will be the 78.60%.
Below that, right?
Yes, below that.
Yeah. Yes, what are you looking at, Yas?
I'm just looking around. I'm looking at USD CAD, because that would be probably nice long at some point if it pulls back a bit, because it's in a nice uptrend. I'm just looking at it, just trying to see.
Interesting. Alright, let me just check UJ. UJ with a bit of a pullback this week, not bad. Ooh, look at this. UJ daily candle closed bearish again, kind of giving us the lower highs. Right? UJ is kind of just doing this at the moment.
I'm gonna sell GJ, guys.
Give me a
GJ
second.
coming up. I'm telling you now.
I think EJ is gonna dump. GJ, I'm just gonna wait for this next close below this level.
It did the same thing yesterday. It did exact, almost identical move yesterday.
Yeah. The thing is now I'm so used to getting those nice entries, almost like sniper entries, but yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
But if it breaks these lows, then it's gonna go.
Yeah. Well, getting a few pips on GJ these days is heavy lifting. Trust me, our cats. I don't know what is up with GJ. It's on some weird stuff, yeah.
Now check it on the 15. Do you see if it breaks these 15 lows? Out of here.
True. But honestly, the only reason I'm being cautious with this, Andrew, is since yesterday GJ has been just ripping my wallet apart.
No, I lost 2 in GJ yesterday.
GJ is the family member that asks you for change and takes all your money. UT is looking really good, boys. Just saying.
Yes, sir.
UJ is actually looking like it's gonna go down. This is also a head and shoulder pattern if you look at this, right? So this should continue going down.
Yeah, that looks really good. I'm gonna put my kids on that one.
Oh.
Full margin and 3 kids.
Yas is not happy with you at all, Andrew. Trust me, usually I kind of have. I want to put a sell limit on 137 flat. You can have a nice 25 pip stop above 137 250. That's very tempting. It's like GJ wants to fall, alright, but the thing is GJ it'll consolidate till it has exhausted everything possible. And then it's gonna like start breaking.
It's first gonna take all my money and then it's gonna do what I thought.
Exactly.
Oh, damn it, that's wrong. But on the 1 hour on GJ, you've got a bearish engulfing candle, and then you've got these 2 sort of long wicks if this one creates a long wick.
Yeah. At that point, you kind of have a better idea. But for me, especially on GJ right now, we need to break this trend that we've been forming over the last 3 days.
Yeah.
Because it's neither going up, it's neither going down, you know? So
Yeah,
That
it's
makes
just range.
it makes it hard for us to make money in that kind of nonsense.
Yeah.
Yes, are you looking at GBP USD?
Yeah, I'm already in.
Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, I
Yeah,
like
I'm
that.
in 1.2191, but I've got a tight stop.
Alright.
You in on it?
Yeah, but it's a high stop heart rate, I'm guessing. So I'm up 2R at the moment, but I'm just gonna let it run a bit more.
You
How-
buying or you selling?
Long, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
Long
because I see
1.219.
where's the head and shoulder.
Yeah, but it's in a range, so head and shoulders don't really do as well in ranges sideways. It's when it's right at the top or bottom of a trend. Head and shoulders
Yeah,
do well.
but it's done it off a major support. It looks really good.
So I'm trying to get you up to 1.22. See if it goes up to there, then I'm up about 4R and I can close it. So I'm only doing really tight moves. I'm up 5 pips at the moment.
Philip, very true. When the bulls and bears fight, stay out or you will get hurt. That's true. That's true. You know, when mom and dad are fighting, you don't get involved or you get a slipper
No, you
thrown in
don't.
your face.
They'll join forces, man. They'll be like, I
Yeah.
say, what are we fighting about? He's the trouble one.
Yeah.
You're there trying to be innocent and
fighting?
help.
And next week we have a new kid up on the foster care system, you know?
Ah.
You're buying it, right? Yes?
Yeah, I've entered up. Average was 1.2191.
Okay. Be cautious.
Yeah, I'm already stopped already at break even.
Hmm.
I'm already up 6 pips.
Hmm.
All good.
That's good.
But it's all choppy today. Like it's already trying to pull back again.
Okay, I'm just trying to see it a little more clearly. And it's looking interesting.
Might drop. The dollar's trying to get some strength again at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm out break even.
Oh man, don't get into GJ, guys. I'm just gonna say this one time. Don't get into GJ. Okay, I'm gonna do something that I used to do before. Alright, I'm gonna remove all my drawings. Okay, on GJ. This is something that I used to do before a lot. So first you go to your daily time frame. You see, are we at any key supply or demand? So clearly we can see that GJ, we're at this supply zone. Alright, so 400 is kind of a level right over here. 1 2 3 67 167 is the resistance up there. Are we at a demand? Yes, we are at a demand. All right, so let's look at this right over here. Okay, so this demand is actually playing off of previous highs too. So when I look at it, let's go a little deeper into that. Bring it closer. Okay, so now we go down, slowly start going from the daily down. We start seeing what is this key level that we reacted to, 0.200. Okay, so that means 166 200 to 166 flat should be an interesting. Okay, rejection level we have 167 100 level. Slowly come down, start looking. So we haven't closed above this level in a very long time. You can see we're fighting within the ranges. Going to the 5-hour, gonna bring this down to 300. Coming down to the 4-hour, 4-hour also, that's 300. Okay, good. All right, 3-hour, beautiful. So we can kind of readjust this one too. Let's see. It's right about over here. All right. Let's see. Can we find 150 at least? Okay, beautiful. 150, and the top of this would be 250. Alright, so now we've identified the top of the range and the bottom of the range, and this is what I used to do. Okay, so from 167,100 to this level, this is what I consider my no trade zone. Alright guys, it's very clear. You can see every time we've been in this range, we've got stuck for some time. That too. 100, yeah. So I'm just going to mark the key levels. That's going to be let's say 200, 250 right over here, and this one is also about 200. Alright, so GJ is in a no trade range. No trade range. So this is what should keep you out of danger. Alright, I hope this helps somebody out there from getting scammed off these markets, because you're going to be able to see structures, but you're going to wonder why you're not getting the momentum. You're not going to get the momentum as long as you're in the range. So if GJ is following this market structure, well and good, bullish market structure, so I'm going to look for buys. So what am I going to do? I'm going to look for buys above 167.200. Looking. Alright, does that make sense? Because once you break that, you have only this to fill. Alright? Once you break that, you have only that to fill. So that's what you need to be looking for. Don't waste your time on trying to trade within this range, because it's not gonna treat you well, nor are you gonna enjoy it when you're done with this. If we're gonna start coming down, then we need to see market structure change, right? So if we're gonna start coming down, then we need to start seeing this happen. We need to start seeing the bearish side come to life. Until then, as long as we're not seeing the bearish side come to life, there is no trading GJ within this range. Alright? Those who want to get scammed, you can continue trading GJ in this range. It's only going to scam you. Alright? Perfect. Alicia, fantastic. Makes sense, yes? No, Andrew?
Yep. Completely agree, man.
Yeah. Because I feel like, we're really waiting for GJ to do something, but it's not happening. And there's no point. Until it breaks that, wake me up when it's all over, Okay, GJ crossing, alright. How do I make this an open-ended alert? Okay, I don't have that feature, never mind. Alright, I'm putting alert on this, and I'm putting an alert on this. Alright, so now I have 2 alerts. When I reach either, wake me up, Okay, same thing with EJ. Let's look at it. We know what the overall trend and everything is, right? So let's look at the daily time frame. Daily time frame, look at this. Look at the supply level we are at on EJ. This is a supply of supply levels, which is very interesting. So when I look at EJ, what do I see? Okay, so firstly, we see this level down here, this demand level here. That's a minor demand, which was previously held also as a demand. Slowly come down the time frame, start searching. Where do I get that clean traffic from, Where can I get the clean traffic from? So clearly on GJ, we've identified this 300 level and this 150 level, which is good. I like that because it's nice and small, and then you got clean candles to the left over here on EJ. Right over here. Yeah. So this will be the target range. What is up with me? Alright. And then we have this range to the upside. As we keep scrolling now, we're gonna start looking. Okay, so alright, so we kind of have this level. Let's continue looking. This is a fake out candle. Alright, 4-hour time frame is showing us that is the level. But if you look at it, what you need to identify is, can you see how none of the candles have been able to close above this level and stay above? Do you notice this? One candle up, next candle down. One candle up, next candle down. One candle up, next candle down. So this is a key demand zone also that hasn't been respected previously properly. So let's look at this. 150. Alright, so this is the key demand zone. Yep, I like this. Look at this. This is my key demand zone, which I'm gonna be looking for trades above. So I need more like a 10-hour closure above this level. Look at how, this level is strong. Okay, so this is my no trade range. Alright, so look at this. Okay, so we have a clean range to the downside, almost to this target level. So if you look at it, all you need to do is focus on this. Alright, focus on having that higher time frame closure. Right, 150, let's make it 200. Alright, focus on getting this higher time frame closure and looking to target reaching back these highs. It's almost like a clean shot to the upside. Alright, and so that is the possibility, but there is no trading within this range. Alright, so GJ and EJ both are looking pretty much the same. we could draw our trend line and say, yeah, it is looking bullish. But we all know, bullish or not, only time will tell. Alright, so let's wait for that and see what's gonna happen. What else? Okay, so GJ we have our no trade range. EJ we have our no trade range. GBP USD I think it's alright because GBP USD is kind of giving us better market structure than the rest. So if I were to remove everything and look at it, GBP USD is more of at a decision point. Gold also is coming back down to our entries, right? To see whether we can get an entry. Let's see. Alright, does that help, guys? Does that help? Just looking at the market in an objective way, in understanding it, rather than just diving in and thinking, you know, we can just take a trade wherever we want. Alright, so trading flow, Banger Squad, what are you guys thinking?
Completely agree, man. It seems like
I'm thinking selling GJ.
Yeah.
In fact, I'm thinking
He's in this or from there.
Nah, well, I agree it's a no trade range.
Yeah.
I just did it as a joke. It's a small lot.
Yeah. No, because we've been expecting so many sells on GJ. So I completely understand why you're selling GJ. It's just, for us, the higher probability trades are outside this range.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I shouldn't even be trading this range.
Yeah. Within this range, you're more likely going to get scammed the same way we did just half an hour back, Andrew.
Yeah, but you know what? I'm that kid that you mustn't tell what to do because then I'm going to do it just to prove you wrong.
Yeah.
No,
Oh, wait. Trade GJ. Andrew, trade GJ.
And blow market up.
Okay, wait. So let's
Gold is looking green.
Yeah. Andrew, Yas, what do you think about GU on like the higher time frames, on the monthlies and stuff like that, especially that we've come back to kind of like the break of structure level, you know?
The thing is, let me just clear my charts. Because it looks like it's in a monthly downtrend, but it looks like it's trying to balance out. It's my thinking. Because if you look on the monthly and look left to the uptrend before it, it's at a big consolidation point to the left. If you look on the monthly and scroll to the left.
Okay, 1 second. Monthly, yeah.
And scroll on the.
This?
I'm looking at that actually. I'm looking at that 1 second monthly, because if you look, it's gone all the way down and it's broken all the prior lows.
Yeah.
So it's got momentum to go to the upside now because it's stopped all them. So I'm looking for a monthly higher low.
Okay.
So right now it's gonna make.
So you're saying they've taken out all the stop losses and everything?
Exactly. And if you look even further back, there was a really big stop way back. Whoever was holding for ages.
Okay, right down here.
Yeah. So now I think it'll keep going up. It's no.
Yeah, honestly, I'll tell you what. If someone placed a trade the last time GBP USD was at this level, he's probably a dinosaur at this point.
No, but people, markets remember in a way as well. But it's at a point now where I think it'll pull back from this level.
Yeah. 1 second. Let me just remove my hideous drawing. Yeah. All right. So yeah. Okay. So what do you think? We broke out of this range and now we've come back to retest this breakup structure. Do you think we have potential to continue going down?
On the monthly, it's too long for me, man.
So
I do glance at it now and then to see what's happening with the big money, but so I think in the long run it'll go up now. But it might, on the weekly and daily, it'll go into a downtrend again. So I think it might pull back on the daily. Should be a good time to buy. If it pulls back is my thinking. If
On
you
a
look on the
monthly basis.
daily,
Sorry, 1 second, Andrew. Yes.
because from my point of view, on the daily, it's in a nice uptrend, but it's not getting much follow through on each break up. So it might pull back soon, because each bull break out of each consolidation on the daily should have nice follow through, but they're not.
Yeah.
If you look on GU on the daily, it looks like it's getting exhausted, the bulls a bit.
Yeah. 1 second. Let me just draw this level. Alright, so I got a nice little level over here, which is basically the previous supply zone. No, sorry, the previous demand turned supply. Right, so right now it's currently acting as a supply, but we haven't broken above key psychological level 123, 1.23. Very interesting. You get what I mean?
Hang on. Let's have a look on the 4 hour as well.
It's a little shady for me, to be honest, especially like you just looking at it from a higher time frame perspective. This is like a very important level in my opinion to see what's gonna happen, especially if GU breaks down today and closes below this daily candle. I really think I'm gonna be short in GU hard.
I think it's making the move now, actually. On the 15 minute, I think that pivot just now was the move.
Second, let me just check that. Okay, wait, what were those pivot indicator called? Okay, found it. Lapel key level, pivot point standard. Fibonacci daily 1. Use daily raise the values, pivot, make it red line with 1, label positions right. Lapel key levels, merge levels, no thank you. Pre-market high, pre-market low, no. Today's open, no thank you. Today high, low, yes please. Yesterday open close, no thank you. Previous open close, no thank you. Today high, low, yeah. Alright. Alright, so looking at it, I kind of get what you're saying. 1 second. Okay. Alright, so we're kind of like breaking below this pivot right now, right? That we have going on over here. We could have had or already had a sell on GU today from up here. Interesting. Give me a second. Let me now remove these. Let's look at the daily time frame. Is this a supply? Potential supply zone. But this was more of the supply zone. Yeah, this is the supply zone that we tapped into the other day and collapsed from. Okay, so GU is very interesting actually currently, right? Yes.
I think so.
Yeah. I do believe that we do have momentum to the downside on GU. Oh yes, we got a very clean. Ooh, it looks very good for downside on GU. I would like it to come back and retest this previous supply zone to start shorting, but you know, only time will tell what's gonna happen. So yeah. Guys, if you want to join our Telegram, do join our free Telegram. That's right over here.
Scotty's in the chat. Scotty!
Yeah. Take it easy, Scotty. Finish off whatever work.
Not in much at the moment, Scotty. No, just looking and waiting for entries. Potential GU short and then you bounce high again. Nice, looks good for a short. It's got a nice little top wick. Really good. Really nice top wick.
Yeah. Alright, there you go. Chart sent out in the free Telegram chat. Beautiful. Tariq?
Yes.
Do you see this GU which I'm looking at right now?
Yeah, but look at the 4 hours.
Yeah?
Okay, so I still believe that it's gonna go up, not down.
Maybe once it comes back to the main trend line. What do you say? Like that?
You checked it on, okay, still the 4 hours, see.
Yeah.
Both of them, they work.
The problem is we're in a very strong bullish market, so to find a bearish market is dangerous, you know, until we break trend.
Exactly, but for now, I think the safest is to go with the buy, not
Yeah, definitely. I think Tariq is right on GU. It's still safer to look for buys than sells until we break this trend line and do something like that, right? Until then, this is really dangerous. So I agree with Tariq when he says it's still safer to look for buys on GU than shorts. These are like very risky shorts.
Yeah. You have to be aggressive with the bill. You have to stop out quick. But the reward is high.
Yeah.
So you have a tight stop. High risk, high reward type of trading.
Yeah. Sorry, Tariq?
I'm looking to buy on from 1.21600.
Okay, there. Yeah.
Yeah, but check the 1 hour for entry. So my idea here is that it already had the pattern. It didn't break above, so the pattern still, or the trade still valid.
Yeah.
So it has to go to 78.60, continue back up again.
Yeah, both of them work. Both of them work. I think the 50% works a little better, only because of if you're looking at my screen, you can see this.
But still,
You see
yeah, in the 1 hour you have demand zone, so it has to go down to retest.
this?
to
Yeah,
continue that.
78.6. I see what you mean. Yeah, this level. It's right in between.
Yeah, so
61.
in the 1 hour you have the previous day work
Yeah.
above the demand zone, so it has to break this week as well for it to continue up.
You think break this bottom wick?
No, 1 hour.
Okay, just the one. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
right.
saw the no. Can you just increase the?
1 second. Let me just remove my hideous drawings. Yeah. This
Yeah,
one, right?
exactly. That. Yes.
Yeah. So we could have a nice little entry over here at 500.
So you saw your green line, right? Is it the 61 or the 50?
Green is 50, 61 is the purple.
Yeah, so it has to break the 50
Yeah.
for it. Yeah, for it then to continue.
500 would be a good entry. 39 pip stops. Back to the upside. You could be aiming for an easy 1:4. GU 1.21250 seems highly probable. For buys, RCATs 1.21250. 2.1.250.
I think he thinks it'll fall more to 1.2125.
Okay, so he thinks it's gonna fall more. Geo will rise for sure. Interesting. Oh, you can just use MetaTrader on your mobile phone browser now.
Okay.
Not bad. Tarek, did you order that USB cable?
Yeah, I did.
That's good.
But still, I think I'll get it in 3-4 days.
Yeah. Did the mounts come? Did the desk mount come?
Hopefully today.
Alright, let me just Telegram.
Andrew, did you short GJ?
Yeah, Andrew's
Yeah,
in
I'm sure.
GJ.
It's a nice short, man.
Yeah, 20 pips.
Nice, man. One sec, someone's just ringing me.
Well, that's the story of my life. So what's the plan for the day, gentlemen? Andrew?
Don't trade GJ, that's the plan. No, there's no plan, huh?
Tariq?
I have some stuff, work, clients.
Yeah.
What's your plan, DC? Stay.
No, today is what is today? It's only Thursday. We can do it tomorrow.
You only have steak on a Friday?
Normally I would only have it on a Friday.
Okay.
If I kept it open for my original entry, I would have been around 30 pips up.
On?
GJ.
I've just noticed now that your team screen is different to your YouTube stream. Or it
Yeah.
might just been, wait, hang on.
Yours,
Maybe if I click live, it will work.
you're talking about Google Meets, right?
Yeah. No, I had different screens, but I hadn't updated my live feed.
Okay. It's alright. I forgive you. You're having trouble with technology too, eh? It's okay. I understand.
Are you trying to say that I'm thick like Scotty, like you said earlier?
Whoa! Big accusation. Scotty, I hope you heard who said it. I would never say something like that to my guy, Scotty.
I'm hoping Scotty's away from his computer.
Yeah. You can get away with your words.
Absolutely. I'm a little bit tense this morning. You know, here in South Africa, they're just not giving us power, and it's making it difficult to earn a living.
Yeah. You want me to take care of them?
Yeah, if you could just phone up and
Yeah.
offer some money, I'm sure somebody will take you up.
Definitely. Just send me your address. I'll tell them I have a cash drop ready for them now.
Can't you give them free membership to Banger Squad?
Oh, also looking at it, Scotty said he heard that. I told you, Scotty, it wasn't me, it was the South African guy. Oh.
I think with all the big news tomorrow, I think the markets might be a little bit subdued today.
Yeah, definitely. Gold going back up.
Of course, it won't come to our entry.
Yeah. Ibis.
Man, I'm going to send you a bucket of these things.
Please do. Please do. Ibis kebabs.
There goes GJ. Go, GJ, go.
Beauty.
Have you looked at the NAS 1 hour?
Yeah, I was mentioning it in the last hour. I was saying it looks decent.
Do you see the pattern it's forming?
You're saying like head and shoulders.
The NAS
That reverse.
1 hour.
NAS 1 hour.
Let's look at the 1 hour.
Let me check. NAS. Okay. Honestly, I want to talk to someone who trades like NAS full time, NAS or US 30 full time, and see how they actually break it down. And I mean, someone who's like really successful at it, of course. Listen, yes, I'm not.
Someone said, I traded for you, but I lose money.
Yeah, even with US 30, the same thing. I mean, I don't know how these guys trade it. I trade it and I get it right every now and then, but I actually don't know what I'm doing, to be honest, with the indices. But to me, it looks like it's forming to really ramp up.
I'm looking at it short, to be honest. If you look at it on the 4 hour, it's in an EQ, isn't it? At these lows, it's made a massive move down, and now it's consolidating at the lows, possibly to continue further down. That's my thinking.
On NAS 100?
Yeah, that's my thinking, because it's made a big move down on the 4 hour. Now it's consolidating at the lows in an EQ, and it's at the top of the EQ now, so it should trend back down. And I would have, like I was mentioning, it's worth entering short around 11,530 was what I was saying about in the last hour. I was saying.
Wait, Philip Muga
Nice
says,
place
have
to
you
shop.
checked out the Open AI chat GPT? What is that?
Probably an indicator. Or a thing.
Open AI. Oh wow. It's a bot that can answer anything with a certainty.
So we can just get up in the morning and say, buy or sell.
And the bot will be like, change your career.
Wow.
1 minute. I think NAS has the potential to continue down, right?
That's my
It's
thinking as well.
We have a small
Really?
supply zone to the where we are at right now.
Yeah.
What is it? 11,600 to 11,550. Well, I mean, we can always give it a shot. Philip, that actually would be pretty cool, to be honest. Interesting. Let's see what NAS 100 actually does. I'm actually thinking sells too, like the rest of the guys. I'm also looking at sells.
Yeah, I think it's a good place to short it with the stop just above the wick. I'm already in a few trades, so I'm not gonna add any more.
Yeah. GJ is gonna continue dropping to the bottom of the range. Hindsight. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it a session. Not much is really going on over here.
Yeah, I think a lot of people are struggling today because it seems like there's not much follow through on either side. But GU's dropping nicely now.
Yeah. GU's actually looking pretty nice.
Yeah. Only entered the starter at 1.218 because I was hoping it pulled back a bit more get my full size in. But it just dropped
Yeah.
without my full size. So taking my partials, and I'll leave the rest to run. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
GU sells floating 10 plus pips. Beautiful.
Close at 17 pips.
Yeah.
But it's risky. It's a high stop out risk in a lot of trades today. I
Yeah.
think over Christmas season, this month, it tends to be a bit. Those you have to be a bit more careful and very picky, or
Yeah.
careful with your sizing.
Unless
It is
you're
volume just now.
Yeah, unless you're like 75 to 80% sure about the trade, during the season you shouldn't take the trade.
I think even then it's good to be lower size.
Yeah. Alright guys, take it easy. I'ma call this a stream. Thank you for joining us here today as usual. Don't overrisk, don't overtrade, you know the vibe. Keep smashing it out, and we will see you tomorrow for Freaky Friday. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, guys.
you